Hey, I got a fangirl for a sec. Drift King Dai Yoshihara upvoted one of my comments here on YouTube, a true senpai noticed me moment. I know, it's not cool to gush over your heroes, but hey, sometimes you're having a pretty shitty week and something like this will just make your day. And if you ever see this, Yoshihara senpai, arigatou gozaimashita. Now that that's out of the way, let's get into what may be the simplest, easiest mod to a car ever. If you can even call it a mod. Anyways, summer is here, and hopefully your year brings a season of safe, spirited driving and further advancing your car build. And what better way to preserve those beautiful machines than to protect those high-contact surfaces? The most touched surface of all, your steering wheel. And if you live in somewhere with real summer heat, you may want to cover that surface to protect the leather, as well as your hands, from getting burned and damaged. And there's a really simple trick to getting a perfect fit steering wheel cover on easy. You simply leave it in your car for an hour or so. The heat itself will loosen up the material a bit and get it nice and flexy. And while that warms up, clean off any oils and residue from the wheel with some simple soap and water. Oh god, look at me not wanting to get back into that 120-degree oven. Let's just see how easy it is to slip a perfectly sized wheel cover on, shall we?
Oh, this is going to be a quick one because it is hot in here, which will actually help us put this on. So, quick, real, easy install video. We're going to put a steering wheel cover on the steering wheel. It should be the perfect size. It's just a cheap one you get on Amazon for like, what, 20 bucks or so? Oh god, I gotta go faster. It's really hot here. So we left this in the car in a hot summer day because it kind of loosens it up a little bit, makes it easier to slip on. What we're gonna do is
we're gonna start on the bottom, make sure it's centered in clean, tuck the bottom of the wheel into the groove, follow up each side, left and right, sliding a finger below each side to keep the back end loose for the wheel to slip right under. Okay, come on. Once you get about 2/3 of it in, it'll start to get a little bit more difficult, so keep working at it. We can start to wedge the top of the wheel into the cover with a bit of jimmying. Oh, here we go. Look at that thing. So if it's off center a bit, slide to the right, and install complete.
There you have it. Super easy install. The old daily driver is going to get really hot in the sun. This thing has been out in the sun all day in this hot car, and it's not as hot as the actual leather underneath that absorbs heat.
Looking pretty sharp if you ask me. Racing inspired design with a center strip to tell you if you're going straight. You couldn't already figure it out from the road in front of you. But hey, center strips are proven to add like 15 horsepower to any hot box. I think it looks good. But most of you are thinking, why did I just watch a dude put a steering wheel cover on? Will I ever get back these lost 3 minutes? Well, most cars say parked in the hot sun, so adding a wheel cover is actually a pretty smart move. Most will actually resist heat, even direct sunlight, and stay cooler than a scalding coverless wheel. And you can prevent any cracking from the harsh UV rays as well. Protect those hands and that wheel, people! I really appreciate y'all taking a minute or 3 to check this video out. If you learned something, subscribe. There's more car content coming to this channel, as well as some other great stuff. I do art, I do music, I do a little bit of everything on this channel, so please. Please. There's dogs in the background. Cute. I get distracted by small creatures.
Feel free to check out all my other channel content, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Hey, before you click away, I'm celebrating 700 awesome people on Instagram, and I'm giving away some comics and a gift card. So read the rules and click the link below to get several chances to win. Good luck, and thanks again for watching.